be working on the exercise for Achilles tendon rupture, and it's called the barbell back squat. That is a multi-joint exercise.
So this is a multi-joint preventative?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So,
I'm going to pretend this is a... Okay.
so grab that.
Okay.
Now place it over your head.
Over my head?
And then put it on the back of your head.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of like resting on your shoulder blade, I guess.
Okay.
It does that.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of near your arm. Okay. So now what I want you to do is spread your legs out. Wider, wider, wider. There. Kind of about shoulder width apart.
Okay.
Alright, so now here, I want you to strengthen your stomach and your glute, or your gluteus maximus, I should say. And then from here, I want you to slowly bend at the knee and hip, and then go down.
Okay.
As far as you can. And then when you can't go any farther, come back up slowly.
Okay.
And then do that a couple more times. One more time. Alright, so some common faults I see in people, or that I've seen in people when they do this exercise, is sometimes their knee might go too far. Yeah, can you do it? Can you face this way?
This is fine.
And then go down.
Okay.
So something you really want to be careful of is make sure you don't pass your toe.
Oh, I see.
That's one fault.
Okay.
And then another fault sometimes you see a lot is people collapse in when they're doing the exercise. So
Got it.
do that. Or
Okay.
sometimes they'll go
Collapse.
push out or push lateral.
Oh, or this way?
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Got
You
it.
want your legs to be pretty straight.
Okay. Straight.
Yeah. 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 So the amount of sets I want you to do 3 sets.
3 sets.
7 reps.
7 reps.
And then just at least 3 times a week.
Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you, everyone.